5 iPhone setting you need to turn off right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you top 5 iPhone settings you should turn off immediately. So let's get started. First, location tracking for app. Simply open settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on privacy and security. From here, tap on location services. And from here, turn off the location access for the app. It will protect privacy and save battery. Second, you can turn off Share iPhone analytics and data. For that, from the settings section, again from the privacy and security, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on analytics and improvements. From here, make sure you have turn off all of the options from here. This will stop sending users data to Apple. Third, you can turn off background app refresh. For that, from settings section, tap on general. Now from here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on background app refresh. From here, simply tap on background app refresh. And from here, tap on off. After that, you can also turn off the automatic app download or update. Go to the settings and from the settings section again, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From apps, tap on App Store. Now from the App Store section, turn off the option for automatic downloads like in-app content or app updates. This will also turn off the app that don't need constant update to save battery and data. At last, you can turn off location-based Apple ads. For that, again from the settings section, again from the privacy and security, you'll have to just find out the option for personalized ads or Apple advertising. After you find it, tap on that. Now from here, you'll have to tap and turn off the option for personalized ads. After you turn off that, you'll be able to stop Apple from targeting you based on the location and uses. After you turn off all of the settings, this will improve privacy, battery life and data usage on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.